Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, आज का लेटर था हमारा letter P. Scan the QR code and come on to this video, and there are some more instructions given in the book as well. There are some instructions for teachers on the letter P page. Teachers note, do the exercises in the workbook on pages 71 to 74. Now it's time to discuss these activities. Students are little explorers. Show the children real pigeon feathers and let them feel their soft texture. Because pigeon starts with P, so you are going to show them the feathers, यानी कि जो कबूतर के पर होते हैं, and let them observe the soft texture. Then they are little innovators. Show a picture of a printer and tell learners that it is a machine used to print papers with words and pictures on them. So many words are over here: printer, paper, pictures, and whatnot. So tell them how a printer works. Then they are little builders. Guide and help the learners to make a pastry. Wow! They are going to make a nice pastry using the Play-Doh. And then they are little designers, and they are going to design this sketch of parrot and letter P on the top of this page. And then they are little thinkers. Ask the learners to create simple patterns on the page. So patterns also start with the letter P.